Stand metal on metal. Today I teach you corrosion or rusting of iron. You know what is the meaning of the rusting of iron? Eating of iron. Eating of iron. Eating of iron. But question that how iron will be eaten because it is a metal. Suppose that what happens when an iron come in the contact of oxygen and water. Oxygen and water, then they make the hydrate layer. So rusting is the hydrate oxygen, iron oxide hydrate Fe2O3 and H2O means this is the very water molecule is the very. So what happens? They make oxygen and water make one of the compound with iron. So what happens when this compound red brown, have you seen in the rusting iron is there? It colors the red brown. It is a hydrated oxygen make one of the compound. This compound will be come out. When come out, it will remove some of the iron. So when always will be removed of the sub iron, they make the whole of the iron and damage the iron. So we can say rusting of iron means eating of iron. They will damage the iron. So what is the condition required for the iron? First is two things. One is the for rusting, one is the oxygen and one is the water. Two things, oxygen and water is the required for rusting. Remember, if they will get only oxygen not rusted is there, if only water not rusted is there, how will prove? Two things will be required there. For this, we take one test tube is there, and that test tube will keep the oxygen air is there. Here is the air, but not water vapor. And we put one nail, iron nail is here, and close the mouth. No anything will be left is there, come here. And after that, one second of test tube A, test tube B, we take the water, take the water and heat the water. When heating of the water, all the oxygen gas, what gas is there, gas is there. After that, one put iron nail is here and close the mouth tightly. Air should not reach there. And third, what happened? Third test tube B, third test tube C, we take the water and oxygen both present, general of the water. In the water, you know that some of the oxygen present there, and we put one nail is there and close it. It will be also close it tightly. One nail I keep it there. Keep it for the several times. Means 1 day or 2 days. After that, what we observe is there. This will be A not rusted, B will be not rusted, but C will be rusted. Now you can say why A not rusted? Because test tube A get the oxygen but not get the water. That's why not rusted. And test tube B, they get the water but not get the oxygen. So this nail will be also not rusted. But here test tube C, they get the water and oxygen both. That's why it will be rusted. So we can say for the rusting, iron and oxygen both is we can say water and oxygen both required. Water and oxygen both will be required for the rusting. But question is left there, how we will save the iron for rusting? They will not come in the contact of water and oxygen. Due to this, what we do there? Painting. We paint it there. Iron thing will, iron gate will be per year, all the year. After 1 year, we are painting it there. Before the rainy season, why we are painting? Summer day will be not damaged. Why? Because dry day, there is no water vapor present in the atmosphere. Only oxygen there, not rusted. But before the rainy season has come in there, we paint the iron gate. Why painting is there? Because when painting is there, iron not come in the contact of water vapor and oxygen. So not rusted easily. Third thing is there, second thing is there, grease. Iron thing we will grease it there, then what happens? When grease is there, then water not come in the contact of the iron and save the rusting. Third thing is there, greasing. Third galvanization. What is the meaning of the galvanization? We are given the zinc coating. When we are given the zinc coating is there, then what happens there? Zinc react with the oxygen. They make the zinc oxide. After that, what happens? They make one layer. No further react with the oxygen. Though we say it there. That's why we galvanization is there. You know it there. What happens? Some of the chains selling in the market. What happens? This will be made of the iron. But what happens? Zinc coating has given. That's why they are selling it there, and they will say there, सोने से कम नहीं, खो जाने से कम नहीं. Why they will say that? Because in the place of the zinc they are given the gold, you looking the gold, and after that what happens? We think this is a layer has given. No, they are only galvanization had done by this one. Now, after that we are given the tin or chromium plating. Tin, we know is the less reactive of the oxygen, and chromium we are given the we are painting it there. That's what they are saying it there. After that we can say stainless steel. Steel, you know, steel made of the iron, but steel not rusted. Why not rusted? Because we are given the chromium and zinc has given it there. We are mixing together. The alloying is a mixture, two or more thing mixed together, but it is a mixture, not in the fixed ratio. After that what happened? After mixing what happened? Iron lost its property and a new thing is more, that is called alloy steel. Steel not rusted easily. That's why we are given the alloying is given. Another alloying, you know, railway track will be made it there. You live in the open place but not rusted easily. Why? Because 4% carbon will be mixed in them. After mixing is there, what happens? Carbon percent mix is there. It is also a kind of the steel. And after that what happens is that make of the steel not rusted easily. It live in the water but not rusted easily because we are making the steel. So we can say that rusting can be prevented by the alloying. Now in the case of the alloying, how we can say how we rusting of the iron can be saved with there. Prevent the rusting of iron. Making of the cut, we say painting you are doing it there. Means anyway we will cut the supply of the oxygen or cut of iron, cut the supply of the oxygen and water. Oxygen plus water. That's why we are doing plating. First we painting it there. We do the galvanization. What is the galvanization is there? Given the one of the plating has given by the zinc. Zinc plating has given the galvanization. We can do it there. Or electroplating we can do it there. Electroplating means iron. We take the iron, make it negative charge, and one of the gold water has taken it there, it make the positive charge. Now passing of the electricity, make the liquid passing of the electricity, what happened? Water take it there, this is make the negative and gold is the positive charge, come it here, and what happened? They are attached with the iron, and it will be look to the this iron, actually this is iron, but only cover given by the gold. Gold plating has given it there, then it looking the gold. That's why it is selling in the market. सोने से कम नहीं, खो जाने से कम नहीं. It means it is look like to a gold. If it will lost it there, then nothing is there because it costs only 10 rupees selling in the market.